Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Okay, let's see what happens here. 5-minute auto pairing. Right, so Smith-Morra. He's not going to accept it, is he? He'll play this, of course. I'll try this and experiment. Try and get a different sort of position. Maybe E6 here. Queen H5. Surely. Classic E6. And he's got that, yes. Oh, he's been a bit weakened anyway. That E6 is looking a bit vulnerable. Odd. I think it's okay that night. Yep, it looks okay, unfortunately. Well, that threatens knight d5. You can double the pawns, I suppose. Knight d5. Alright, taking and then knight e6 looks fun. And things like bishop b5 after. So taking takes my queen, knight takes e6, queen moves, there's things like bishop b5 and knight f5. That looks like good fun, bishop b5 with knight f5 after. Think about it. Okay, his king can't use f8, so bishop b5, king e7, knight f5, king f6. Oh, I think that's tricky. Okay, so it's tricky. There's g3 here, just to give me a bit more time, or bishop e5 immediately for knight f5 just to pick up the queen. Actually, don't I just pick up the queen?
Check.
That's pretty good news, just to pick up the queen. For nothing. Okay. I'll play he's got, I'm giving him a g5. Oh, this is a silly game. He can take it and g5. I didn't expect that was knight g6. Why is he giving me all these discovered checks, this guy?
Check.
I'm going to take his rook now. I'll just take his rook. What a weird game. Okay. He's going to munch that knight anyway, so what about just f4 here? If I just do f4, so there's bishop c5 check. Yeah, I think f4's good because I want to get the knight out. Intriguing. I'm still on 2 up. I've got this passed pawn, so it doesn't matter who he takes on. If I play bishop e3 and c5, exchange up after all that. So bishop e3, exchange up. Oh, this. No, I'm not exchange up. I'm on a rook up there. Yeah, that was a weird game. Oh, blimey. Let's have a look. This is crazy. What? Hang on. .56 there. Usually people play e5 here, which is only 0.27. So in other words, if you play bishop d3, they shouldn't be playing d5. Because this is okay. This e5. That's interesting. Now cd would have been sensible, and this looks like a fun position. That's a very interesting little trick then, bishop d3. I don't think this is it. Is it? Knight e5. Bishop b5 check. Hold on a sec. If he plays this. Oh. The knight moves. Then take on f7. Or h4. If here. Knight moves. Then take on f7.
Check.
Wow. I'm going to force an advantage here. With bishop b5, it'll give me time for cd. That's what I was looking for. Yes, this is not quite right. Bishop b5.
Check.
Okay, there's a little trap system basically in the Smith-Morra, a sideline. And now I don't know. He went crazy, and then this knight d5. So knight takes d4 is an engine move. Knight takes d4. Wow, I thought it was fun. Bishop b5 check. I played this. Oh dear, that's not good. But bishop b5 check. Oh, it wins the queen immediately, doesn't it? If king f8, we just win the queen. If king e7, the engine sees everything. It's embarrassing, isn't it? Knight d5.
Check.
King f8. Knight takes e6,
check.
winning the queen. Okay. So the way I played it is bad. But I thought it was fun. Now that was a mistake. He should have played queen b8. So here,
check.
Oh, I don't know. Apparently it's still just about okay for white. This position.
Check.
I thought there was a bit of an attack going on. That's a crazy position. But it looks as though the king's quite exposed. Things are going on. And maybe white ends up better. But yeah, that just gives me the queen.
Check.
I've just lost material count here in this game, totally.
Check.
But yeah, that seems to be sensible. That's okay, apparently.
Check.
I mean, this is just a rook up now. I've just totally lost material count in the game, but I'm a rook up, which is quite handy if he goes like this, e6, and also the big pass pawn. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that one. It's a bit of a bonus video today. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.